New York Times makes a list of 52 places to visit, and this year one of the places was Chow Kit, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And one of the places they mentioned you gotta go is the wet market. We've lived here like almost 5 years, and I think we've only been here maybe once, so we're gonna check it out.
Chow Kit is a historically Muslim neighborhood in the heart of the city. That is also the city's red light district somehow. The market is open every day. It was especially busy on this day due to it being a public holiday.
Seems like everything's kind of divided into sections. We have meat, vegetables, and fruit.
The sights, sounds, and of course smells of the market can be a bit overwhelming, but in that wonderful way that reminds you that what is unknown and makes us a bit uncomfortable can often be the most memorable part of a trip. Right outside the market are several small restaurants that certainly wouldn't pass any US health and safety inspection, but are clean and offer wonderful and cheap food.
For all your shopping needs. So the list also talked about 2 new boutique hotels that opened, but we don't know where they are, and we're not going to try to find them. But there's a Hilton Garden Inn. Another big attraction is this place, the largest Sikh temple in Southeast Asia. To go in, you have to cover your head, and they ask very nicely, please cover your head. No shorts, no capris on pants.
Isn't that a good rule for life though, no capris?
Hey!
Where are we going?
I don't know where we're going. We're on the first floor. I assume it's the temple part of the temple.
We were confused because the minute we walked in, a man ushered us onto the elevator and sent us to the first floor without any explanation. I was right, it was the temple part of the temple. This is not an educational video on Sikhism, so I'll only give you the main points that I learned visiting the temple. It was founded in India roughly 400 years ago. Followers are vegetarian and are committed to helping the less fortunate. This is the main room of the temple. It holds about 5,000 devotees. A very nice man who was waiting for his son to finish his lessons approached us and showed us around, answering all the questions we had. It's a well-known secret amongst travelers that if you are in desperate need of a meal, find a Sikh temple. As part of their faith, they will provide a simple meal to anyone. Is Chow Kit worth a visit if you come to Kuala Lumpur?
Yes, I would say it is worth a visit. It's a pretty cool place.
Should be in the New York Times 52 places to visit.
I mean, Kuala Lumpur as a whole, for sure. Chow Kit!
But if you come to Kuala Lumpur,
you should come to Chow Kit.